Right, we arrived in Palapye. Bit of rain coming down. So I'm just going to find a bit of shade, shelter. Got a gas station, I think. Chill a bit, see what the rain does before heading out again. Go on, Oak. To watch the weather, I might have to put my full rain suit on if it stays like this. Okay, if this is Palapye, of course I'm now wondering where all the petrol stations are. Unless they were on the main road. Or maybe that's the finish of Palapye. Let me ask this lady what she can tell me. Hello dear. How are you? Where's the middle of Palapye for the petrol stations and shops and things?
You want the shop?
Shop and petrol.
You have to go back.
To the main road, and then go up towards Francistown.
There is a mall there.
I came past the Majestic. If I'm going towards Francistown, is there a mall that way?
Yeah, there are malls all around. Even the other one is just in here. When you just turn to, you are going to Francistown, you see on your left side is a mall.
Okay, I came in here because I thought there was a main centre here somewhere. So I must go back towards Francistown.
There is a mall over there.
So I must go to the A1
Yeah,
and then go.
to your left side. When you be at the A1, like you are going to Francistown back there.
I must go towards Francistown.
Yeah, you will see the mall. It's just over there.
Okay, thank you.
You have to go there. It's just near. If you turn Hela this way, you see. You walk a bit.
Okay, okay, thank you. And the petrol's there as well, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, okay, it's coming down now. I've got to do a U-turn because I came sort of into Palapye, I think residential. All the petrols and everything are on. Okay, it is coming down a bit now. Blast. Turning this thing is like the QE2. I don't want to turn over too many lanes. Car coming. Okay, this is now pelting down. I need to get shelter. Alright.com, we got a bit of rain. Need to find some shelter, and then hopefully this is not settling in. This is really coming down. I'm going to have to put my rain suit on. It does of course make it possibly tricky for getting into Moremi, because they said, when I inquired early this week, they said no, the gravel's fine, but if it's raining a bit, it can get a bit muddy. So that's going to be the next thing a little bit later. But objective 101.1 is to get under a roof. Jeez, I can feel the rain coming right through this jacket, even though I did spray it with waterproof stuff. Can't even see if my GoPro's still filming. Bum's getting wet. My word. Yes, yes. Coming down, guys. Whoop. Shish kebab. Anyway, the lady said there is a mall that I must have gone right past somehow. Get back to the main road. Swing a right, and I think there it is. I can sort of see it. Yeah, stop, cause my word. When I was starting my trip, people say to me, what are you going to do when it rains? I said, well, I don't really want to travel in the rain, but I'll have a rain suit. So well, there we go. That's what happened when you travel and you get caught in some rain. Not a spit in the spot. This is coming down quite nicely. Okay, clear. Let's go. Oh, now nice and wet. There's a petrol and a shopping centre. This is where I am pulling in. Wow, Jesus. Phew.